Really good question coming about the meal plan. Specifically, can I have rice instead of quinoa? Because I don't really like quinoa. Quinoa is a super grain. Actually, sorry, it's not a grain. It's a pseudo grain. It's more of a seed. But my point is that quinoa is a complete protein, tons of fiber, tons of nutrients, more so than rice. So again, the question was, can I have rice instead of quinoa? My suggestion is that you learn to cook quinoa in different ways. Because of all the nutritional benefits, you'll be happier with the results you gain. It's also super easy to digest. If you're gonna go with rice, that's okay, but I would suggest wild rice in most cases. The problem is wild rice takes quite a bit longer, way longer, probably 3 times as long to cook as quinoa. So at any rate, quinoa for sure, in my suggestion, always wins out. In my opinion, always wins out. But if you want to go with rice, probably choose wild rice.